But the first Rover, it was 2 tracks and a skateboard, if you like, with a lance attached to the top. Didn't move, it just rolled along the top spraying. So the history of the Rover essentially come about as a company, Shell, said to us they have real problems with the furnace, the convection bank, essentially. This convection bank was at a stage whereas if you stood on it to clean it, it would destroy itself. The fins were so old that they'd break up. So they kind of said to us, is there any method you could use which would allow you to clean it but stay off of it? But the first Rover was 2 tracks and a skateboard, if you like, with a lance attached to the top that sprayed downwards and at a set angle. Didn't move, it just rolled along the top spraying. And the hilarious thing about doing that was Shell come back and actually was really excited and said they've got good recovery on it. Can we do it again? Can we improve on it? And we'll start using you over and over again. And hence the Rover was born. The good thing about that story is more about the way you build on the technologies that you develop. And I think that's kind of the IGS methodology as well. So they'll work with a client with a big problem. And that client has 2 options, either replace the lot or work with us. And that's why technology comes out with a Mark 1 and then a Mark 2 and then a Mark 3. Because over the time you speak to these customers and you learn all the little extra bits that they want and you start building on that technology. You'd never think that long ago when we first built that Mark 1 that you'd ever see anything like the Mark 7s. But in the end, it was an idea, it was a concept, and that concept got built on. And it's kind of good to think back at that and think, well, we developed something well out of that.